Hello and welcome back to the channel, everyone. This is Motor Mike Media, and as always, I'm Motor Mike, and today we're going to be talking about OBDII sensors, and everyone should have one of these. Whether you're someone that wants to work on vehicles yourself, you need one of these. Maybe you're like me, you can't afford new cars, so all your cars are 10, 15, 20 plus years old. You want one of these. These are awesome to have because you can just plug and play. If you see a check engine light come on, you can take one of these and diagnose your symptoms. These range in price. You don't need an expensive one, guys. This one here was around $30. This is perfect. It'll pull up my code and give you a description of what it is, which is really nice. Now, they're really dirt cheap ones, and those aren't bad. Just take the time, look at the reviews before you buy anything. But those cheap ones, it'll just give you the code. What do? Well, you take your cell phone and basically look up what the code means. And when you do that, it's awesome. You can basically get your information, go to the auto parts store, get what you need, and fix your vehicle yourself if it's something in your wheelhouse to do. So let's get a little bit more descriptive with it. So using one of these guys is super simple. It's basically plug and play, real easy to do. Now, basically if you have a vehicle that's 96 and newer, it's standard. It's in every vehicle after that, and where do you plug it in at? Down here, the driver's footwell. Basically, they're usually on the left side, sometimes the right. But you'll see a plug like this, you just plug and play. Make sure your light's on though. So this vehicle was on, off. That's why I gave this to my dad. When he found the light coming back on, felt a little bit lost in power, he plugged and played. And he got two codes. Code 1, P0420, is basically the catalyst system efficiency is below the threshold in the bank 1. So basically he knows what's going on, bank 1, and he bought mystery formula to clean up the cats. We'll see if that works. But the other code, P0022, a crankshaft position timing is over retard, and that's bank 2. Well, that's not really good. He said there was a loss in power. It sounded a little funny. But the cool thing is that sensor's right up front, and it's pretty easy to get to. You just have to move a few things around. It's like a 20, 25 minute job. And that's a very cheap part. Now, like I said, he bought the magic syrup. We'll see if it works for the cats down below, but we'll see what about the little timing sensor. That's a really cheap part. It saved him time and money. He could have gone to a dealership, he could have gone to a mechanic that he doesn't know, and they could have overcharged him. They could have said it was multiple things, but he knows right from the back what it is, where it is, and how to fix it. That's why I highly recommend these. They're so cheap to buy, guys, especially if you're one of those guys that has a project car that you drive in the daily. Keep one of those in your glove box. But that's all I have for you today. I thank you all for watching, and if you haven't already and you want to, please check out my channel. I keep trying to give you guys more and more content about cars, trucks, crossovers, and SUVs, combustion engines, and EVs, a little of everything. But please like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell. That way, guys, can stay up to date with the latest and greatest from my channel. And as always, I truly, truly appreciate you all for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one.